Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm doing full glam nighttime engagement party look. So guys, I will show you step by step. Let's begin. So I'm going to start with my skincare. So first product I'm using from TINTED Milk Skin Toner for refreshing skin. Second one, same from TINTED Ceramic Cream, Refreshing Cream, Moisturizing and for smoothing skin. Eye cream from Estee Lauder. They were antioxidant eye cream to keep eye hydrating and help to reduce fine lines. And lip balm from Sephora, moisturizing hydrate to keep lip plump and smooth. Then doing color correcting from Huda Beauty FAUXFILTER Peach Color Corrector for the slightly black under eyes, uneven skin tone, and going to apply under eyes near mouth where I have got uneven skin tone. Apply less amount of the amount and blend out with my finger. You can blend out with a brush as well. Next, apply Skin Light Face Glow Illuminator from Revlon 300. So guys, party is for the night and perfect for the base to give skin glow. Next, apply foundation from L'Oreal True Match Nude Plumbing Tinted Serum with 1% hyaluronic acid. This is medium coverage. So first apply with a foundation brush and blend out with a damp beauty sponge to get flawless result. Then apply concealer from Maybelline Fit Me 302 shade lighter than the foundation. I'm going to use only one concealer and apply under eyes, forehead and near the mouth. Then I'm going to leave the concealer few minutes to become taggy. By the time waiting, apply cream contour stick from NYX medium 10 and apply in the cheekbone, forehead, jawline and nose to give face structure and sizzling effects. So first blend out contour with a contour brush and blend out till the smooth and seamless look. But I like to blend out in the nose with my finger, easy to blend out. Next, blend out concealer. For blending, I'm using small beauty blender. You can use small brush as well and blend out till it's smooth and let it dry before you apply any powder. Next, doing eyebrow pencil from my favorite MUA Micro Define pencil, and I'm just going to fill the sparse area and keep eyebrow look natural. Next, using same concealer and clean the eyebrow areas for the clean and sharp look, and apply same concealer in the eyelid as well. After dry the concealer, apply loose translucent powder and apply in the eyelid, under eyes, forehead, and where normally start to sweating. Powder using for the conceal the concealer and body get the fine lines and for the long lasting makeup. And dust out extra powder as well. Next, doing eye makeup. So guys, doing super easy black smoky eyes. So first apply black pencil in the whole eyelid. No need to apply perfectly because going to blend out with a brush. And use floppy eye brush and blend out. Next, I'm using bronzer as an eyeshadow and using floppy brush, and use very small amount of the bronzer and just apply in the eye crease to make sure there's no harsh lines and soft look. Next, using black eyeshadow and using small eyeshadow brush and apply in the whole eyelid only, and take less amount of the eyeshadow backward and forward and same time blend out. Next, apply eye pencil, then using same bronzer and apply in the lower eyelashes and smoke out. I decided to apply some highlighter in the middle of the eye, so to give some sparkling and pop out look, perfect for the night look. And I just go back and use more black eyeshadow and apply just outer corner of the eyes to give more intense and blend out properly. Next, apply mascara from MUA Loaded Lash XL Intense Black Impact Volume Mascara. So guys, I try many mascara, but this is my favorite mascara. It has hard application brush. Next, apply powder blush from KK Water Flower Magic Blush 02 Brown Sugar and apply on the higher point of the cheekbone. Next, apply powder bronzer from YSL with SPF 12 and going to apply where I apply cream contour and set up and give more intense and sun kiss effects. Next, apply powder highlighter from DILCE DEVA Baked Highlighter 01 Lively Champagne and apply in the higher point of the cheekbone and little bit in the nose as well. So guys, this is my final look. Some reason can't record it when I apply lipstick and makeup setting sprays. So I'm ready to attend my friend engagement party. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys love watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, likes and share the video. Thanks again. Love you all. See you soon in the next video. Bye.